Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can use some artificial intelligence softwares, two of them in particular, to create content quickly and build a YouTube channel, a very specific type of YouTube channel. So I'm right here and I found this channel. It's called Steamer Reviews. And if we look at it, they created this channel on January 16th, 2020. So we're looking at June 10th, 2021. So this channel has been around for about 18 months. They've been, they started their channel. And when we come over here and we look at it, they already have 1,020 uploads, right? And, they actually have, that's a pretty small amount of subscribers, only 3,000 subscribers. But this kind of channel is not going to bring in a ton of people that actually subscribe. This is more of a search related. People are going to find you because they are searching for information and they're going to check out your video review. You're going to be doing reviews of products, but we're going to be able to do it very simply. We aren't going to have to buy the products to do the reviews. We're just going to do a compilation type review videos. So, best, top 5 of a specific type of product. But when we look at this, because there's such high commercial intent on this channel, they're actually doing far better than I am. Even I have over 5,000 subscribers, but I don't make anywhere near this on my advertising, on the ads on my YouTube channel. So that just tells you that the type of channel that you have can determine what your CPM, your cost per 1,000 views will be. And it has a ridiculous CPM, this type of niche. And you can choose all kinds of different niches, and you can see their stats. The channel's just continuing to grow. It's looking really, really good. But they're making, even if we cut this in half, they're making a good $600 to $800 a month just in ads. But they're probably on the higher end right here. They're probably on the higher end of the ads, so it could actually even be more than the 1,000 per month. And that's just from advertising. They're not making all their money from advertising. They're actually making, so we're going to go check it out real quick. They're making their money from putting links in their descriptions, right? So if we just go ahead and check one of these videos and open it up, you can see how simple the video is. First of all, have a little intro right here. And then as they go through, they're just taking some stock video footage from the different products. Crystal touch control, table lamp, 3-way, dimmable. There's no voiceovers in these, and they're just taking some stock footage. This is not somebody on this channel doing this. They're just grabbing footage and making compilation videos and putting it together. It's incredible. There is not even a voiceover. And they're driving a ton of traffic back to Amazon and making they're making commissions for doing this. So simple. I think I can even do better than that. But when we look over here and we look at the description, look, everything is whatever product they talked about in the video. And then they have an Amazon affiliate link and a UK affiliate link, which that part is a little bit different than I've seen, is them actually adding a UK link for every product as well. So every time someone, if you take this keyword, it might be ranking. Let's just say top 5 best crystal table lamp in 2021 and take that. We'll go open up an incognito tab and go search Google for that particular keyword. And you can see Steamer Reviews is ranked for 2 videos at the very top of Google. And so this is driving. So even if we took off the top 5, right? Top 5. So just best crystal table lamp, they could be ranking for that. They could be ranking for a lot of different keyword variations, but yeah, they're ranking the top of Google. So that's going to bring in and drive a bunch of traffic back to here. People are going to get the information that they're seeking, and then they're going to go ahead and just, if they're interested, it's just easy for them to just go ahead and click on one of these links, and it's going to take them right to the product. People purchase the product on Amazon or purchase even a different product, and then you make commissions, right? So how realistic is it for you to build a channel like this? Pretty easy, I think, if you have the right tools and you have dedication and you're consistent. So obviously you can't put up 100 or 1,000 videos overnight. You actually would probably get your account taken down for spam, but you can put multiple videos up per day and be on a track. So let's just look at this from a numbers perspective, right? So we take out our calculator and we take, so there's been 18 months, right? So we're going to take 1,020 videos, and we're going to divide that by the 18 months that they've been a channel, right? So that's not very long. It's a new channel. So they do about 56 videos per month. So we divide that by 30, and you can see they're at 1.88 videos per day. So we round that up. It is 2 videos per day. So you could do 2 videos per day, and in 18 months, you would have a channel this size with that many uploads. But if you want to be aggressive, you could cut that down significantly to under a year. Let's say you could put out 5 videos, 5 videos per day, right? So we would just take the 1,020 and divide that by 5. So you're at the 204 day mark, and we're going to divide that by months, which is 30. So in less than 7 months, uploading 5 videos per day, you could have a channel as successful as this, right? So what is the strategy? We're going to jump in real quick, and I'm going to show you, and I've already kind of dove in to save a little bit of time. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to Amazon, and you can type in anything that you're interested in, whatever you made your channel about, or any products. I do have one that's about storage and organizers. And I have proof of concept because I have made money. Here's where my affiliate back office, and you can see I'm making, it's not a whole lot because I don't do this on a daily basis, but this is just, dabbling with something and still earning commissions with it. So you can see that there is commissions right here in my Amazon affiliate account. So we're going to go over here, and we can take this one, right? It had a ton of reviews. It did rank at the top when I typed in home storage and organization. This one showed up as like number 2. Has 22,000 ratings, almost a 5-star. This is a great, excellent product. I'll probably rank this as number 1. But how can we do this quickly, right? So we're going to take this, and I usually will take the top part of the title, right? And then I'll come up and I'll open up a Word document. And so I came up with what my title is going to be: Top 5 Kitchen and Pantry Food Storage Containers. And then what you can do is make your headline 1, and that's going to be the first product, right? Then where did I get this text right here, right? Well, what I did was I came in here and I grabbed all this text right here from the description. They're doing all the work for me, and I open up my trusty tool that I use on a daily basis in my business now, artificial intelligence software that produces all the content I would ever need. I go into Conversion AI. And so what I did was I actually went into, I'll show you this in a sec because we're going to do one together, but I put in the title of the product, and then I put in as much text as I could, 600 characters. And then I pushed enter, and it went out there and it wrote a description for me. And I chose the one that I liked the best, that had just a nice summary. I copied that and I went back into my Word document and pasted it in there, right? So we're ready for another one. So we're going to come over here, and the one that we use is we come back over here and we go into templates. And then we can go into e-commerce templates. And what I did was I went to Amazon product description paragraph. You can use bullet points, all kinds of good stuff. Right now we're using the paragraph one, right? So now we have this. I'm going to go ahead and delete the text that I have in there, and we're ready to start again. So we're going to come back over here to Amazon, and I'm going to come down here and see what other ones are have a ton of reviews. So here's one by a different company. This is actually sold by Amazon. So that one looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click and open that up in another tab. And here we are. And so this one is going to be high quality food storage containers. It's got plenty of images, all that kind of good stuff. So what we're going to do is a Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Organization and Food Storage Containers with airtight lids. And it's a set of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that. That's fine. I'm going to grab that, throw it over here in my Word pad, and I'm going to make it a heading 1. I'm going to push enter. So then now here's the brilliance of using Conversion AI. We're just going to grab this software and kind of do a rewrite. We're just going to go out there and do the work for us. I'm going to throw that in here. And then what I'm going to do is grab our title real quick. And it might cut off a little bit. It only allows 80 characters on the title part. And I'm just going to say airtight, and just leave that right there. And then we're just going to push generate content. So now Conversion AI is going out there. It's going to write our content for us real quick. Okay, and within 10 seconds, it comes out with, right here it has some kind of measurements and stuff. But this one right here just puts everything in there. And, I like that one. So we're going to go ahead and copy that one. And we want to keep it brief and just give them just enough. So I'm going to right click and paste. Another thing that I like to do, or not to use, another thing I like to do is I'll go back into the product and I'll go and take a testimony of a review. So I'll come in here and I'll just take something like, something like this, maybe a little too much information. We'll just take this one for now. And we'll just say that right here, I'll come in here and I'll say, a customer review said, and then I'll go ahead and paste that in here. So we can actually put that in here, quotes, and then move on to our next product, right? And so you do this, and you can do 5, you can do 10, 20, you can put different lists together. But here, after spending 20, maybe 15 minutes on the script, you're going to have a full script, and then you can go to Fiverr and hire somebody, or you can record the voiceover yourself. I recommend doing a voiceover because you're going to hold people's attention longer and you're doing more of the work. A lot of people are auditory learners, and so they actually might even be listening to the YouTube video while they're walking or exercising. So having the voiceover really will amplify your results. And so here, you just do this 5 times, go and find another product. How do we connect all this and actually make money from this? Well, after we have our video, I'll come back to the video creation, but after we have the video, in order to get the link for that, right, what we're going to do is you're going to come back over here, and you can see up here in the browser up here, a long string of text. Well, right here, you'll see this, this right here is the ASIN of the product. Every Amazon product has an ASIN number. You're going to come over here and here's my affiliate back office right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to product linking, and we're going to go to product links, and we're going to find our own affiliate link. But how do we find our affiliate link? If you're not signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, go ahead and go to Google and type in the Amazon affiliate program. You're going to come over to Amazon affiliate program, and then you're going to come over here and you can earn up to 10% for your sales that you send people to Amazon. People are already shopping on Amazon every single day across the world, and all you're doing is just referring them over to the site. And if you have a cookie, what's called a website browser cookie that you sent them over there, then you will get a commission of the earnings. So you just sign up here. Everyone can sign up. And then you come over here to product links. And then once you click on product links, you throw that ASIN in here and you push go. And it's going to come out there and find the product. Here's my product right here. And all I have to do is push get link. And I can shorten the URL to Amazon. And I can grab this link right here. And I can copy it. And then I can come back over to here. And I just know that this is my affiliate link. So maybe I'll put that affiliate link in right here. And that's what I know is going to go into the description. And then I'll move on to my next item. So my next item review, right? And then put a heading 1 there, and then we will start putting in our text. So then once you have your script, I would say keep these review videos at, between 3 and 5 minutes, work best. So all you would have to do is just grab this text right here. We're going to come over here, and then we're going to go into one of my favorite softwares that's called Vidnami. Now, this is an artificial intelligence software as well that creates videos quickly. So I'm going to say create video. We are going to go in here and grab just YouTube type layout videos, and we'll just grab this apricot color, select. We're going to throw in all of our text right here. And then what we'll do is you can leave the text on there. We're going to go ahead and leave the text on these review videos. Because in case somebody does want to actually read the text, it's actually an advantage to them. So then it's going to go out there, and it's going to take a minute. It's going to go out there. It's pretty fast creating your scenes right here. It already created the scenes in about 10 seconds, and top 5 kitchen and pantry food containers. So what you can do is you can actually like right here, chef's path airtight. So what we would do is come over here to the first one we were looking at, right? So this is the chef's path. Nope, that's not that one. Where's the chef's path? It's right here. So chef's path, and all you're going to do is just right click, and you're going to copy, to open it up, I guess. Right click, and then copy or save image as, and then you can just put 1 put some numbers in there, push save, and then go ahead and move on to the other images, right? So grab all the images in here, then go back into Vidnami, and right here, you're just going to go to uploads. You're going to go to images here. You're going to upload an image from your computer. We're going to go back up into here to downloads and grab that image that we just had. And it's going to upload it real quick. So this part will take a little bit of time, but there's specific images. And then what we can do is do no zoom out. So it'll just kind of stay right there. You can fool around with the images a little bit to see if you can get it zoomed out a little bit more. And then you're on your way. So then you have the nice containers, put in a couple of more images, right? And then when it's done, so it's just showing different pictures. It's grabbing different containers, which is great. And then when we come into the end, you would just grab the other images and put that in there as well, right? So then you have your video, then you would have your voice. And so I recommend, like I said, outsourcing the voiceover or doing it yourself, because then it will be free if you just do the voiceover yourself. You can do an auto voice as well, and then you can push preview your video, and then you can add music in, and we'll just leave it on that, and we'll push play in.
Top 5 kitchen and pantry food storage containers. Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Containers Set. Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Containers Set is a premium bundle of 14 airtight food storage containers with measuring spoon set and bonus chalkboard labels. These high-quality food storage containers are made from durable, BPA-free plastic that is
And so there you have it. You're using a combination of affiliate marketing and using Amazon. You're using Conversion AI and the different tools and modules that they have. So if you're interested in making money with this kind of strategy, with a very small YouTube channel who is killing it, making great money with the YouTube partnership program, but most importantly, they're making thousands per month from affiliate marketing with Amazon, then go ahead and pick up Conversion AI to make it faster for yourself. And then also make sure you have a copy of Vidnami. I will leave the links below in the description. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next money-making strategies. I will see you in the next video.